Like you and Jesse probably stayed at home together all the time watching movies. You'd fall asleep on the couch unless you were throwing one of your awesome parties. And a few years later, you'd get married. You'd have a small wedding, nothing big, and you'd have twins, and you'd have to get a second job to pay the bills, but you wouldn't care because you'd be going camping all the time with your family, and you'd tell her she looks even more beautiful with gray hairs. Manny, I think my love story is bringing you back to life. Oh! Whoa! Whoa! It's moving!
What's happening? Oh! What is that?
It's alive!
What is it?
It's moving!
Oh, God, I'm disgusted.
No, you're not disgusting.
No, my body is disgusting.
No,
it's horrible.
It's okay. This happens to everybody. It's normal.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's okay. Calm down. Hey. Let's just take this away for a second. Calm down. It's okay. Oh, okay.
Holy shit.
Jesse. Manny, I think Penis is guiding us home.